Hey, what's up? This is Roy from Scratch Made Easy. In this video, we're going to continue to build on the stabs and baby scratches that we learned in the previous video. We're going to pick up where we left off, but we're going to add quarter rests to the rhythms. If at any time you're confused, remember to check back to previous videos. Alright, let's get started. The tempo is at 90 beats per minute. Let's count it off. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next example, let's concentrate on playing the rhythm as even as possible. We're going to play a steady and even tempo while playing on beat. As always, let's also continue to work on getting an even and consistent sound. Remember that we don't want to sound sloppy. Let's count it off. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully we're not having problems playing a steady and even tempo, so let's focus on our stabs. It may take a lot of time and effort to get your stabs to sound identical. So this time around, let's pay attention to the sound of our stabs. If we're going to get stabs to sound identical, we have to pay attention to the sound that we're producing. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. When you practice, it's important to pay attention to the sound that you're producing. There may be times that you're playing on beat, but your stabs don't sound the same. If that's the case, you might want to slow down the tempo and work on getting a consistent sound. Once you start getting the sound consistent, you can pick up where you left off. Thanks for watching. I hope this information helps you out. See you soon. Peace.